Oo.
I'm outside looking in. The looks are all different. It happened on a whim. And now I'm wondering if I can now begin the love I've been missing. Lost your head. I can't believe another word you've said. Let's just promise that we'll leave this dead. I can't lie, but I can't help you see. I can't afford your and it's too heavy. The room inside my head is too costly.
Good morning, everyone! Nagmamadali ako sobra kasi it's already 8 a.m. and lalabas kami, titingin kami ng cherry blossom, hinahabol namin yung maganda na sunlight, yung hindi pa masakit sa mata na araw. So I just got ready, naka-makeup na ako and naka-hair. By the way guys, I've been loving these pieces from Ana Luisa. Alam nyo naman, mahilig ako sa accessories. If you haven't heard from them yet guys, you need to check their website. These are hypoallergenic and water resistant guys. So very comfy ito isuot everyday. Kahit na hindi mo siya hubarin, liguan mo siya everyday, no problem. Sobrang dami nilang timeless pieces guys, and the more you get, the more you save, which I love. Plus the shipment is super fast if you are in US, and if hindi ka naman taga US, super bilis pa rin ng shipping. Kasi sa akin guys, ilang days lang dumating na agad yung mga jewelry. And what I love about it guys is meron silang 2-year warranty on everything. So talagang hindi ka mag-worry. Honestly guys, I'm really into pieces na magtatagal sa akin and alam kong magagamit ko everyday and kahit na anong outfit ay bagay na bagay. Gustong-gusto ko din tong earrings na to guys kasi hindi talaga ito yung design niya, pero I removed the bottom part kasi feeling ko mas bagay siya for today's fit. For today, casual lang ako and lalakad-lakad lang naman kami and feeling ko para siyang body type nung tinanggal ko yung nasa ilalim na part. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng quality ng mga pieces na to. Ako personally guys, mahilig akong matulog ng naka-earrings, naka-necklace o kaya maligo kasi sobrang wala akong oras magtanggal and then maglagay ulit. That's why I love this kind of pieces kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry if mag-fade pa siya. You don't need to remove it from time to time. Lalo na kung parehas tayo natamad magtanggal ng mga accessories. These are perfect. We are going out, Luna Bear. Luna, sign check. Today's perfume will be this one. Kasi, I don't know, I just want to smell fresh. By the way, guys, ito yung aking perfume collection. Yung iba dito, guys, dineclutter ko na kasi hindi ko nagagamit. So, sayang lang. Ito, gift to sa akin ni wifey. Nakalimutan ko na yung iba. Basta yung iba dyan, gift. And yung iba, purchase ko. And ito yung aking current favorite na diffuser. Super bango. As in, talagang umaalingaso siya sa buong bahay, guys. So, kung nakatira kayo sa Korea, try nyo din to. Lalagay ko yung details sa description box para click nyo na lang if you want to try this one. 5,647 steps. Hindi kami masyado nakapaglakad, guys, kasi bawal pala dun ang aso. Hindi kami aware kasi parang ako first time ko din na makakita ng park na bawal pala sa aso. So, sinabihan kami dun ng ibang ajuma kasi magpa-fine daw ng 2 million won kapag may nagsumbong. May mga way kasi dun na parang hindi siya park. So, parang gilid lang siya ng kalsada. Tapos, bawal din pala dun. Hindi kami aware. Thank God kasi nakauwi kami nang hindi kami pinabayad kasi girl, 2 million won. Oh my God. Nga pala guys, sa mga interested sa mga jewelry ng Ana Luisa, kahit meron kayong sensitive skin, very safe yung kanilang mga accessories. Kasi as you can tell, ako po ay naglakad-lakad na, pinawisan na. Minsan kasi 'di ba guys, may mga accessories na parang angkate, lalo na kapag pinawisan ka na, matagal mo nang suot. Ito guys, hindi. Very hypoallergenic, as you can tell. Wala ako dyang mga kate-kate. Check yung Ana Luisa guys. They have a lot of different designs. Nagutom ako. Sobrang init, mangungupit ako ng t-shirt. Kasi init na init ako, parang inaantok ako sa suot ko, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Magupit tayo ng t-shirt. H3, H27. Sobrang ganda ng quality ng mga t-shirts natin kasi 100% cotton, made in Korea. Yung design nito is ribbon. Papalit tayo kasi apakainit. Alam nyo ba, parang hindi na nag-spring, parang diretso summer na. Kasi wala man lang yung parang malamig na konti yung hangin. Tapos hindi winter, walang ganun. Parang diretso na siya na summer. Ang init ng hangin. Ayan, mas comfy ako sa ganitong outfit. Guys, kung may ganito sa GS25 sa inyo, itry nyo, promise. Para siyang Domino's Pizza, I swear. Yung binili ko pang 2 to 3 person to, pero nauubos ko to. Ang sarap, guys. So, ito yung flavor niya is meat and cheese. Natry ko na rin yung pepperoni. Ang sarap. Mmm. Mmm.
Asher Maslin is a good-looking, energetic 21 boyfriend material. When 20-year-old Holly Gaz... At first, the relationship is strong.
Fantastic, she said that.
She's really excited. I was really excited for her just because that's simple.
At a bar, working in the evenings.
21-year-old Asher Maslin is works on and off as a security guard. Spark between them.
And then that was when she said,
아이고 이쁘다. 아이고 이뻐라. 피곤해? napagod si Luna, guys. 손 주세요, 손. 손. 잘했어. 코. 잘했어. bless. 잘했어. 아이고 이뻐라. 자, 먹어. Ito yung galing doon sa Ajushi na may dog din na kamukha ni Luna kasi silver poodle din yun. Pero 5 years old na siya. Binigyan siya ng snack. Thank you, my love. 봐주세요. 봐주세요. 먹지마, 먹지마. Hello, my love. Ay, 이뻐. 이뻐, 보자. 아이, 이뻐. 잘했어? 잘했어. Clean. Wow.